ओम ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण 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 नारायण। ओम श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्री हरये नमः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तम् उपास्महे। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। ॐ श्री हयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मं पासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरकणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिं सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसपरिदैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेळीरदमतिसुभगं वस्य गोपालकृष्णं। पीताम्बरकरविराजितशङ्खचक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधा सहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशं हृदि भावयामि। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षाब्धिसारम्य भागवताख्यदध्नोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गुहित्वा मायामयोघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि न नाकपृष्ठं न सिद्धिलाभं परमीशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। शान्त्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानां। श्री हरे नमः। सो இன்னைக்கு வந்து 12th ஓகே 12th தசகம் we will start 11th வரைக்கும் நம்ம முடிச்சிட்டோம். இன்னைக்கு 12th பண்ணு. சரி दीप्ति जी।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was just going 12th, no?
12th one will start. Huh?
Okay.
We'll start.
We'll start.
Just a second.
Ma'am, you will say no?
I'll say. Just a moment. स्वायं भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः
स्वायं भुवो मनुरथ जनसर्गशीलः स्वायं भुवो मनुरथ जनसर्गशीलः
दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्
दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्
वेरी गुड
दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्
very nice both the lines together स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्
स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम् स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्.
Very nice. स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा
स्रष्टारमापशरणं
भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा. One more time.
स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदाङ्घ्रिसेवा.
Okay. तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके
तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
If you say मुनिजनैः, it will not fit in the meter. तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sakara will come. Okay. तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके. तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Very nice. स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके. स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Very nice. Both the lines together you say.
स्वयंभुवो मनरथो मनु. ओके. स्वयंभुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्. स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Very nice. Ambuliji, will you be able to say this? First one. Unmute yourself. Okay. Sridevi ji.
स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्. सृष्टारमापचरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
இந்த இடத்துல you need to remember sharanam. Okay, it is not charanam. Charanam means feet. Sharanam means surrender. Okay, meaning different are.
Okay.
So this is here sharanam. Okay, he took refuge in you. That is what we are trying here. Sharanam.
स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम्. स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
तुष्टाशयं. तुष्टा.
तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Tushta means happy. Tushta means it's happy. Okay. So, but when you say dushta, it becomes wicked or ரொம்ப மோசமானது இல்லையா? துஷ்டர்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, அந்த இதுல அர்த்தத்துல வந்துடும். So completely the meaning will change. Tushta means happy or contented, that kind of thing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. சரி, இதுக்கு மீனிங் பார்த்துடலாம். So here we see earlier we have already seen what had happened. So there was this two gatekeepers, Jaya and Vijaya. So what did they do when the Sanakadi Munivar went to pray, went to Bhagavan uh, to pay their homage? At that time, these two gatekeepers came and they stopped them. So they got angry and they cursed Jaya and Vijaya to be born as to be born as asuras for their three births, right? So then what happened? So these two were born as Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. The two asuras were born to Kashyapa Munivar and Diti. Okay, they were born to them, and they were two powerful asuras. And then Hiranyaksha, what did he do? He was so powerful. Now he had already started, he started tormenting everybody. Now it was like he was not having any opponents here. Okay, so now what did he do? So not knowing, he was so powerful, now he wants to use, so that much the arrogance was so much that now he wants to fight someone. That was the urge for him right now, because he was so powerful. He did not know what to do with his power. What did he do? He went and submerged Mother Earth into the cosmic waters, right? And then what did he do? He took his mace and he started stuttering around. He started parading around everywhere, roaring and parading everywhere, right? This is what we had seen in the earlier one. Now, Varaha Murti's avataram, the incarnation is going to happen. So we are going to see that in this 12th Dashakam, where Varaha Murti avataram is going to happen. So in the first one, Swayambhuva Manu. So what he was doing, he was very much engaged. The Swayambhuva Manu was engaged in this work of creation. So Brahma had given him, so he was doing all the work of creation. And then he saw that the earth was submerged. Okay. Now he is doing all this. See, what is he saying? Swayambhuva Manu Manoratho Janasarga Shilaha. So he was creating, right? So he was engaged in this creation of this, that is in this creation. He was engaged in this creation. So what happened after that? He saw that the Bhumi Devi was submerged in the waters, right? But this was actually not the time. Asamaye. Asamaye means that it was not the right time. It was a wrong time. It was not supposed to happen, but it had happened. Okay. So why is he saying that it was not supposed to happen? Because it was not the time of any kind of pralaya which was supposed to happen. So in pralaya time, everything gets into the cosmic water or something. But now that was not the case. That was not the time. It was not the pralaya time. But this untimely thing happened where the earth was completely submerged in water. So seeing this, he immediately went to Satyaloka. In Satyaloka, Brahma is there, right? So he went and he went to Satyaloka along with a lot of munis, and he took refuge of Brahma, and he said that what is that I can do about it? Okay, so he went there. Tushta-shayam Munijanaihi Saha Satyaloki. So here, so Brahma is what? Brahma was completely, he had surrendered. He was very happy, doing service to you, to your feet. Okay, along with many sages. Okay, along with other sages, Atri, Pulas, there, so many sages are there. So he was very, he was delighted in the service of your lotus feet. Okay, so that is what is being said here. So here, what is it? The Bhumi. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell here, that it is Bhumi Devi is not just Mother Earth, right? We know that. She is considered to be the wife of the Lord Mahavishnu. So it is said that there are two wives. One is Bhumi Devi and the other is Mahalakshmi. So Mahalakshmi is usually, she represents Karuna or mercy, isn't it? And Bhumi Devi is usually represented or seen as a representation for tolerance, patience, isn't it? So it was like this Hiranyaksha was testing the patience of Bhagavan. Okay, he was testing Bhagavan's patience. We can see it in that way also. So, so that is what is here. So I'll just consolidate the whole thing here. The Swayambhuva Manu, what did he do? Who was engaged in the work of the creation? What did he do? He saw that the earth was submerged in the water, that too untimely. Okay, that is, it was not this. It was not the time of Pralaya, but this was happening. Now then what happened? He went to Satyaloka, to Brahma, with other sages and all, and there the Brahma, who was very delighted in the service of lotus feet, was there. Okay, that is what we are seeing here. We'll go to the next one, the second one. Okay, Kamala ji.
Yes, ma'am.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनि निमग्ना.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवन्नि.
Okay, I will change it. Wait. It is Mayi Avani.
Mayi Avani.
Okay. Kashtam Raja Srijati Mayi Avani. No, Mayi Avani will not fit. Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani. That is how you have to say. Mayavani Nimagna. That is how you Mayavani Nimagna.
Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani Nimagna. Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani Namagna.
Very nice. Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam.
Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam. Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam.
Very nice. Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani Nimagna. Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam.
Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani Nimagna. Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam. Kashtam Praja Srijati Mayavani Namagna. Sthanam Saroja Bhavakalpayatat Prajanam.
Ityeva Mesha. If it is written as Ityeva Meva, if it is given, change the word to Sha.
Ityeva Mesha.
Ityeva Mesha Kathito Manuna Swayambhuhu.
Ityeva Mesha Katito Manuna Swayambhuhu.
Swayambhuhu.
Swayambhuhu. Ityeva Mesha Katito Manuna Swayambhuhu.
Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit.
Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit. Vyachintit. Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit.
Ityeva Mesha Kathito Manuna Swayambhuhu. Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit.
Ityeva Mesha Katito Manuna Swayambhuhu. Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit. Ityeva Mesha Katito Manuna Swayambhuhu. Ambhoruhaksha Tava Padayugam Vyachintit.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवन्नीनमग्ना तानं सरोजभव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयं भूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं विचिन्ति
Vyachinti. Tell the first line.
अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्ति
Tell the first line.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवन्नी
Wait. Here, Mayavani, don't say that. Mayavani. That's it. Kashtam praja srijati Mayavani. Okay. You don't have to stress on each and every alphabet over there. Kashtam praja srijati Mayavani. Maya avani. Need not say Mayavani.
Okay. Kashtam praja srijati Mayyavanina magna.
That's it.
Mayyavanina.
Mayavani. That ya itself has the so we don't have to say it again. So Mayavani. That's it.
Mayyavanina.
It is actually Mayavani. Okay. So
okay. Kasht.
You want to say it? Say again.
Yes, ma'am. Kashtam praja srijati Mayyavanina
Nimagna. Correct.
Mayyavani nimagna.
Correct only.
Kashtam praja srijati Mayyavani nimagna.
That's it.
Okay.
And remember the last one, it is Vyachinti.
Vyachinti. Okay.
Okay. Next. Okay. Ambuliji.
Adi. Adi and that number.
Second one.
Adi in same cinema.
Kashtam praja srijati. Second one.
Kashtam praja srijati Mayyavvanirnimagna sthanam saroja bhava kalpayatat prajanam Kashtam praja srijati Mayyavvanirnimagna sthanam saroja bhava kalpayatat prajanam kalpayatat prajanam एवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्ति.
Okay, very nice. Tell that.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना.
Wait a minute. Srijati Mayyavanir. There is no ir கிடையாதுங்க.
ஓ என் அடியன் புக்ல இருக்கு அடிச்சிட்டமா?
ஆமா இரு கிடையாதுங்க. அவனி அப்படின்னா பூமி மாதா அவனி.
ஓகே ஓகே. கஷ்டம் பிரஜா சுஜதி மய்யவனி நிமக்னா தானம் சரோஜ பவ கல்பய தத் பிரஜானா ஏவமேஷ கதிதோ மனுனா ஸ்வயம்பூஹு அம்போருகாக்ஷ தவ பாதயுகம் யசிந்தி.
Right, very nice. So we'll see the meaning for the second one. So kashtam praja srijati mayyavani nimagna. So now what is he saying? Now he is creating. Swayambhuva Manu enna pannirukkaru? He is into that creating. He is creating the beings, isn't it? So he is doing all that. Now he is saying that I am creating, but Bhumi Mata is already inside the cosmic waters. So now where do I see the creation he is doing, and it is multiplying, isn't it? The living beings are multiplying. Now he is saying, where should I give them the new place? There needs to be some place where, see, if you are doing a creation, you need that place for that creation, no? Now Bhumi is completely submerged. So where do I place my creation? So you please give me some space for it. I need to please suggest a new habitation for them. Okay, so that is what he goes and tells Brahma. Okay, so now hearing these words, what happens? Ityevam kathito manuno swayambhu amburaksha. Okay, now once he listens to this, and then immediately, on hearing these words of Manu, Brahma immediately, what does he do? Immediately he contemplates on Bhagavan's lotus feet. Okay, to find a solution for the problem. Okay, so that is what is here. So, yeah. So it is a big problem now. The problem is creation is happening, but there is no place for the creation to, actually, you place the creation somewhere, but there is no place. So he goes and asks Brahma that please give me some place, give me a sthanam, give me a place so that I can, Saroja Bhava means here Brahma. Okay, Saroja means lotus. On the lotus, Brahma is sitting. So he has come from the lotus, from the navel of Bhagavan. So he is placed there. That is why he is called as Saroja Bhava. So you please give, Kalpaya, give us some, okay, for this praja, this people or this living beings that I have created. I need a place for them. So you kindly create a place, or you give me a place, is what he is asking. Immediately after listening to that, Brahma immediately goes and he starts contemplating on Bhagavan's lotus feet so that he gets a solution for it. Okay, for this big problem which is happening. Okay, next, Deepti ji.
Yes, I'm there. Same thing. No, no.
No.
Next
third
one.
Third one will do.
Third one.
This is the Varaha Avatara shloka which is starting. Okay. Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad.
Ha vibho jalamaham nyapitam.
Nyapibam.
Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad.
One more time.
Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad. Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad.
Adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi.
Adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi. Adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi.
So, these two lines. Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad. Adyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi.
Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad. Yadyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi.
Very nice.
Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad. Yadyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi.
Itham twadangri yugalam sharanam gatosya.
This is yatosya or vatasya, ma'am?
Yatos.
Gatosya,
you're right. Anything is okay.
What is it? Yatosya.
Pardon me?
I couldn't hear properly. Sorry. I couldn't hear properly. Sharanam
Gatosya.
Next letter.
Gatosya.
Gatasya. Okay. Ga. Okay.
That is also correct only. It is not wrong.
Okay.
It is correct only. But if in a group we are going to chant, let us follow any one of them. That is it. Both are correct. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay.
Itham tadang. Are you reading?
No, tell. Itham twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya. Okay, no problem. Or gatosya. Don't worry. Both are correct.
Okay,
whatever
so
you have in your book, you can tell that.
At a time. Okay. So shall we read here, everyone?
Yeah, no problem.
What you refer?
Yeah, no problem.
Itham. Okay. Itham tvadangriyugalam sharanam yatosya. Itham tvadangriyugalam sharanam yatosya.
नासा पुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी
नासा पुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी नासा पुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी
ओके इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासा पुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी
इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासा पुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासा पुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी.
Oh, now tell all the lines, both the lines together.
Yeah, both the lines.
Ha
ha vipo jalamaham yapivam purastat yadyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi yattham tvadangriyugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava shishukolaroopi.
ha very nice ma. Next Bhagyaji, wait, Orion, Bhagyaji, will you be able to chant?
Ma'am, did you call my name?
Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you be able to?
Ha. Yes, ma'am. Ha vibo jalamaham inya bibam purastat atya vimajjadi mahikimaham karomi ittam tvidanghriyugalam sharanam yadosya nasa putat tamabhava shishukolaroopi.
First line you say ma again.
Ha vibho jalamaham inya vibam purastat.
Wait. Ha vibho jalamaham nyapibam purastad.
Nyapibam.
Ha. Nyapibam purastad. Okay. Nyapibam purastad.
Nyapibam. Okay, ma'am. I'll repeat,
Ha.
ma'am.
Ha.
Ha vibho jalamaham napibam purastat.
Very nice. That's it.
Correct, ma'am?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll see the meaning here. Ha vibho. He's calling the Lord. Oh Lord. Okay. He's saying, oh Lord, that kind of a feeling. Okay. Ha vibho. Jalamaham yapibam purastad. I drank these waters, these cosmic waters. I drank these previously. I mean, previously also I had drank these. Okay. So, when did he do that? It was like when Brahma was born from that lotus, from the navel of the Lord. At that time, what happened? When he came out, he saw these waters. So, what did he do? He didn't understand. So he drank these water. So that is what he's saying. I had already drunk these waters earlier itself. Now again, what is happening? But still, even though I had drunk all these waters earlier, but now again the earth is now still, it is submerging, or it is still submerged in these waters. So Majjati, Mahi, the Mahi is earth is still drowned in that. Even now, earth is still drowned. Kim aham karomi, what will I do? Okay, what should I do? I don't know. What shall I do? I don't know. That's what he's asking. Okay, so and then Itham Twadangri Yugalam. So saying, what did he do? Twadangri Yugalam. So he immediately, what did he do? In your feet. Okay, Twadangri Yugala means in your feet. that is both the feet are there, so they are saying yugalam, so both the pair of feet. So immediately what did he do? Sharanam gatosya or yatasya means he immediately he took refuge in your lotus feet. That is what he is saying here. Okay, so so here I said yatosya or gatosya, both are correct. If you say gatosya, he immediately went to the Lord and he completely, he surrendered or he took refuge in the feet of the Lord. That is what. If you say yataha means the one who took refuge to the in the Lord's feet. So that is the difference. Gatosya means he went, and yatosya means the one who is who is into the, who has taken refuge in the Lord. That is what. Okay. So that is the meaning. So it doesn't make much of a difference. It is okay. Okay. Next, Nasa. Sorry. Then Nasa Putat Samabhava Shishukola Rupi. Nasa Putat. Asya Nasa Putat. Asya means the one who had taken refuge, okay, in the Lord's feet from his nose. Okay, from his nostrils, sorry, not nose, from his nostrils, that is from Brahma's nostrils. What happened? You emerged. How did you emerge? Emerged in the form of Shishukola Rupi, in the form of a, what do you say, a baby boar. Okay, you came in that form. Okay, so that is what he is saying here. So Brahma took refuge in Lord's lotus feet, and he said that, okay, I have already drunk these waters earlier itself, but now again the earth is still, it is submerging in these waters. I just don't know what to do, is what he is saying, and he took refuge in the Lord's feet. So at that time, what happened? From his nostrils came a small baby boar. Okay, or okay, it emerged. That is what he's saying. Nasa Putat means from the nostril. Okay, from the nostril. Samabhava means emerged. And Shishukola Rupi. Shishu means child or small, isn't it? Child, baby kind. Shishu Kola Rupi means in the form of the boar. Okay, right. We'll go to the fourth one. Now Bhagavan has taken his avataram. Okay, fourth one. And Sri Devi ji. Angushtamatra vapu. Sorry. Angushtamatra vap. Oh, where is it? Angushtamapa vapurutpatti. Sorry. Vapurutpatita purastad.
Angushtamatra vapurutpatita
Vapurutpatita. Angushtamatra vapurutpatita purastad. Vapurutpatita.
Angushtamatra vapurutpatita purastad.
Very nice.
Angushtamatra vapurutpatita purastad.
Very nice. Bhuyotha kumbhi sadrisha samajrumbha thastvam.
Bhuyostha kumbhi sadrishas
Samajrumbhathastvam. Samajrumbhathastvam.
Samajrumbhathastvam.
Very nice.
Samajrumbhathastvam.
One more time I'll tell. Bhuyotha kumbhi sadrisha samajrumbhathastvam.
Bhuyostha kumbhi sadrishas samajrumbhathastvam.
Very nice.
Bhuyostha kumbhi sadrishas
Samajrumbhathastvam.
Samajrumbhathastvam. Bhuyostha kumbhi
Bhuyostha. No. Bhuyotha. भूयोऽथ भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृश समजृम्भथास्त्वम्
भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृश समजृम्भतास्त्वम्
वेरी नाइस
भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृश समजृम्भतास्त्वम्
I'll tell this again अंगुष्ठमात्र वपुरुत्पतित पुरस्ताद् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भथास्त्वम्
अंगुष्ठमात्रवपुरुत्पतित पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृश समजृम्भतास्त्वम्
Very nice.
अंगुष्ठमात्रवपुरुत्पतित पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृश समजृम्भतास्त्वम्
अभ्रे तथा विधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः अभ्रे टेल
अभ्रे तथा मुदीक्षय भवन्तमुच्चैः अभ्रे तथा मुदीक्षय भवन्तमुच्चैः
one more time you say अभ्रे तथा विधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः
अभ्रे तथा मुदीक्षय भवन्तमुच्चैः
very good just a second sorry विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
विस्मेरतां विधिरगात्
सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
सूनुभिः स्वैः
very nice
विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
सूनुभिः स्वैः
सूनुभिः स्वैः
very nice that's it
विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
अभ्रे तथा विधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
अभ्रे तथा विधिमुदीक्षय भवन्मुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
good
अभ्रे तथा
विधिमुदीक्षय भवन्तमुच्चैः
विस्मेरतां
अभ्रे तथा विधिमुदीक्षय भवन्मुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिः स्वैः
very nice both the lines together
अंगुष्ठमात्रवपुरुत्पतित पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भतास्त्वम्
very good
अभ्रे तथा विधिमुदीक्षय भवन्मुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात्
सहसूनुभिः स्वैः very nice very nice next who is there
Kamala.
Kamalaji
अङ्गुष्टमात्रवपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोत कुम्भिसदृशसमजिं समजृम्भतास्त्वम् अभ्रेतताविदमुदीक्षय भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिस्त्वैः.
Very nice. Here, tell the third line. Abhretatha. Tell that.
अभ्रेतताविदमुदीक्षय.
Wait. Here. Mudikshaya. No, it is not Shaya. Okay. Mudikshya.
Okay. अभ्रेतताविदमुदीक्षय भवन्तम्.
Shaya kadayadu. Vid. Abhretatha vidhamudikshya. Ikshya.
अभ्रेतताविदमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः.
Correct.
विस्मेरतां विदरगात् सह सूनुभिस्त्वैः.
So இங்க ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, அங்குஷ்ட மாத்திர அப்படின்னா அங்குஷ்டனா என்ன, நம்மளுடைய thumb. Okay, so it is, so when it came out of the nostril of Bhagavan, it was of the size of this thumb only. Okay, it was so small, but immediately what happened, gradually it grew, like it became to the size, it took the size of an elephant. Skumbhi sadrisha, it was like an elephant. It became so, it started growing. It was growing continuously till when, like, it was in the sky. It was so huge. It had taken a very huge form. Okay, so seeing this form, even Brahma and all his sons, all the munis and everybody, they were all like, they were awestruck when they saw this. They were so, it was so wonderful. It was so huge. They were all awestruck when they saw this huge form in the sky. Okay, that is the meaning here. There is nothing much. In this, what he is saying, at first, when Bhagavan came, his size was of that of a thumb. Okay, and then it gradually grew and it became to the size of an elephant. So it grew that much. It kept on growing, and it grew at such a rate that the whole sky was like covered. Okay, and Brahma, with all his children, or all his children only, we should say, because everyone came from Brahma only. So everyone, all the Munivars, everyone, they were all so wonderstruck when they saw this huge form, okay, of you. That's what is. Okay, then fifth one. Ambuliji.
அடியன் சேர்க்கிறேன்.
So you repeat with me. Okay. कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे.
कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे. कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे.
नासा पुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया.
नासा पुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया. नासा पुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया.
Very nice. इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः.
इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः. इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः. इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः.
सद्यो भवन् किल सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जित घोररूपम्.
सत्यो
ghoram, if it is there, okay. Ghoram, correct. Whatever is there in your book, you read. If it is
Yeah,
Ghora
Ghoram is
Rupam,
there.
it is okay. If it is Ghora Ghoram, correct. No problem.
सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जिदघोरघोरम्
Ah,
सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जिदघोरघोरम् सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जिदघोरघोरम्
very nice. Now, first line will say. कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया
कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया.
Very nice. इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जित घोरघोरम्
नित्यं विचिन्तयति तरिशैलमात्रः सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम् नित्यं विचिन्तयति तरिशैलमात्रः सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम्.
Very nice. The whole thing you tell.
कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किडिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति तरिशैलमात्रः सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम्. Adiyan?
Ah, super. Very nice.
Madam,
Huh?
shall I repeat this thing?
Yes, sure.
कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेत् जितस्य माया.
भवेद अजितस्य माया.
अच्छा, sorry. नासापुटात् किमु भवेत् अजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः सत्यो भवन् किल जगर्जित घोरम्.
Very nice. So, here we'll see the meaning for this fifth one. So, here he is saying, Kosavachintya Mahima Katiruthito me. So, even though he knows, okay, that this is Bhagavan only who has come. Maybe by his beautiful lotus eye, he would have recognized him that this is Bhagavan. But still he is not very sure. So he is saying, who is this? Kosavachinta, Koso, who is this? He is asking, who is this? Achintya Mahima, that is a glory that I cannot even think about. Isn't it? I cannot even imagine. It is something which is unconceivable. That kind of a glory, Kiti Utthitaha, that is from my nostrils, me nasa putta, from my nostrils, this boar has emerged. It has come out. Okay. So, then he is even thinking, or is this Bhagavan some kind of Maya? Is this some kind of Maya? Ajitasya, that is something which is invincible. Okay. That, the Maya which you cannot, invincible, that you cannot even contemplate about it. You cannot think about it. That kind of, some kind of Maya is it. Okay. So like that he was thinking. He was thinking and he was contemplating on Bhagavan. Okay. And when he was doing this, it immediately became to the size of a mountain. Okay. So, and it started roaring in a very terrific manner. Okay, so that is what it is. So this is word by word. I'll just tell you the whole thing. It is Brahma here. What happened? He started wondering as to who is this glorious, this beautiful, glorious boar, which is unthinkable about. So, which has come out of his nostrils. Okay. Now he is unable to think about that. And then he is trying to also, so he's saying, who is this who has come? And he is thinking whether it is this Bhagavan's, invincible Maya, is this that? Or, and thinking like this, what he does, when he was thinking, this boar grew to the size of a mountain, so huge, so terrific, and it is roaring again and again, it is roaring. So it was, that is why they are saying Ghora Ghoram. It was so Ghoram, it was so, it was, what do you say? It was something that it was unconceivable. It was so fierce. Okay. And it was roaring in that kind of a form it had taken. Okay. From a small angushta, that is from the size of a thumb, now it has taken that bigger form. It was terrifying to see that form. And also it was roaring so loudly. So that is what they are saying here. Okay. Seeing this, Brahma and everybody are like, they are awestruck and they are just thinking, who is this who has come out? Okay, so that is the meaning of the fifth one. So we'll wind up here only. Okay, already time. So we'll do the Samapana Shlokam. Namami Narayana Padapankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvam Avyayam Narayana 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. We'll meet in the next
Hari
class.
Om, ma'am.